Alright, I'm gonna make another quick video here. Detour Jeeps here. I'm gonna show you how to tighten your emergency brake. I went to the mechanics and they said that I might need a cable. Here's the cable here for the emergency brake, and that it costs $100 to $300 just to get this done. But you can tighten it yourself and see if that helps. This is, like I said, this is the brake cable that goes up to the hand inside the car. Back here is a nut where you will tighten the cable and see if it'll work. What you're going to need is you're going to need a 13, so you can go ahead and tighten, and then you're going to need a regular vice grip. And all you're going to do is you're going to hold this so it doesn't turn as you're turning up there. I got to see how can I do this without having to put the camera down. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can get a stand. Alright, I got my stand now. Let me see if I can go ahead and do this so I can show you more or less what you need to do. I'll go ahead and hold this in place. And go ahead and tighten the screw. Just make sure I'm tightening and not loosening it. By tightening it, what it does is it'll tighten your hand grip on the car. So when you put the emergency brakes, if you forget to put your hand brakes, you don't have nothing to worry about. So I'm just going to do a couple, test it out, and if it needs more, I'll just do some more. But this is how you do it. Let me get here. Trying to find some content to do for you guys. There'll be a little here, a little there. You know, something for you guys to watch. It's something for me to do. Hopefully you can share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and so other people can see. Now let me go back in the car and try it out. Hopefully my camera does not get run over. What do you know? I guess anybody can become a mechanic nowadays. It works. What I'm going to do though is give it at least 2-3 more turns. That way it'll be nice and firm the way that I like it. You see, this is why you gotta hold it, because if not, the thing will turn with you. But I hope you learned something today. Simple thing here to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Send to your friends. Hit the little like button so I can get notifications, and I can keep doing more videos. Thank you, everybody, and I just saved myself $200 to $300.